Scope is all about code accessibility. It determines which parts of the code are accessible and which parts are inaccessible. For example, what variables can a function access within code? Over the next few minutes, you'll explore the concept of scope and learn about how the scope chain works within JavaScript. You will also explore some of the different scope types, such as global and local. A nice way to think about how scope works in JavaScript is a two-way mirror glass. This is a piece of glass where only one side is transparent. For example, if a restaurant uses two-way glass, people outside the restaurant can't see what's happening inside, but the people inside can see what is happening outside. The process is similar to how scope works in JavaScript. For example, the code that exists outside of a function is referred to as global scope, and all the code inside of a function is known as local scope or function scope. If a variable is defined within a function, then you can say it's scoped to that function. This is also known as local scope. For example, I could define a variable named local var and place it within a function. I could then say that this variable is scoped to the function in which it was created. Each function keeps a reference to its parent scope. This chain of scope references is referred to as the scope chain. You're now familiar with scope and how the scope chain works in JavaScript. You can also identify how some of the different types of scope work, including global and local, also known as function scope.